Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble your Xbox One or S or X wheelless pad. So for the start the operation, you need to have a special Torx, as you see. It has a little hole here on the center. It's a normal Torx with the small hole here. You can easily buy it on Amazon, AliExpress, eBay or something like that. So we're gonna start it. Just watch me and do the same things. Whoopa, we are in, and the next step is on the right side here, and that's it. Now unscrew the screws here. One and two and that is it, and the third Torx is here. The Torx is here on the right side. Okay, we have this Torx here. Dobra. Okay, the 4 screws is here and one screw's gonna be hidden here. Whoop. Where are you? I'm here. My mate, yes, is here. So the manual screwdriver is a little hard to excuse. Whoops, 1 and 2. Okay, now voila, we are in. We are in, my mate. Now the back cover, yep. That's it, and we have here the mainboard, which mainboard has the 2 screws here, which I see, and I have to get other Torx. It's a normal Torx for now, so they are specially used Torx, not standard. One and two. Pick, tick, pick, make.
Tak, miałem zamówione, ale niestety
Okej.
także będę musiał z całym zamówieniem, tylko 50 ładowarek. Także jeszcze raz będę musiał zamówić, ale czekam aż się wyjaśni jakaś sprawa trochę, bo może dojdzie po prostu. Tak. Mhm. Tak. Dobra. Jak coś, to bym prosił teraz mniej za godzinkę. Dziś teraz jest godzina druga, to o trzeciej, jeszcze będę coś więcej wiedział.
Oh, there is 2 analog here. Yep, that's it.
Do widzenia.
2 analog is there. This is the first mainboard. fuck. That was creepy. Okay. Now there is try to unscrew this screw here, and looks what we have here. These little things, and the second motor here. And there is a front plastic, which means here. And now the wire connector. One wire and second wire gonna be here. That's it for the main board. Here you can easily change every single part which you want to change, and there is the easy way, which means and there is the main board. As you see here, there's plenty of glue here, so I need to clean it, as you see, and you can of course install all the parts here. I'm gonna be ABXY. I'm gonna be clean all these parts one by one. And that's it. As you see, the wireless part is already disassembly. You can easily change every single part of here. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!